So guys, Lenovo teased earlier this year that it was working on a gaming smartphone, but the company still hasn't officially announced it. But now a detailed report from XDA developers reveals some interesting details about the Lenovo Legion phone, including its unique side-mounted pop-up camera. As per a report by XDA developers, screenshots captured from the official marketing videos show the design of the Legion gaming phone and it looks quite unique. Clearly, Lenovo has designed this phone entirely with landscape usage in mind. Interestingly, there is USB Type-C port on the left side of the phone along with one on the bottom. The device packs a Snapdragon 865 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery, UFS 3.0 storage and Android 10. It also has a high refresh rate display at 144Hz, but it's only in Full HD Plus panel. The device even offers 90W charging over USB Type-C. However, this design makes some interesting decisions beyond that. The 64 megapixel and 16 megapixel cameras on the back are in the middle of the phone instead of towards the top, which means your fingers won't cover it in landscape mode. The selfie camera is perhaps the most unique and clever part of this design. Instead of being placed within a hole punch towards the top of the device, Lenovo Legion instead uses a pop-up camera that is mounted to the side of the phone. Another decision that seems optimized for landscape orientation, the Lenovo Legion's software build also contains some optimizations for landscape mode. For example, the lock screen can be viewed in landscape, something most smartphones won't do. According to the report, the Lenovo Legion gaming phone will come with Android 10 with the Lenovo's ZUI on top. There are no details about the RAM and storage capacity. The dual cameras on the back will include a 64 megapixel primary sensor and a 16 megapixel wide-angle lens. The single front-facing camera is expected to be a 20 megapixel shooter. As for battery, the Lenovo Legion gaming phone is set to come with 5000 mAh battery. As previously teased by Lenovo on its Weibo account, the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC. In March, there was another teaser hinting at a disruptive cooling technology present in the Legion gaming phone. So all of these features make the Lenovo Legion a complete gaming phone. The leaks don't give an indication of any pricing or release date, so we may need to wait a while to see this phone for ourselves. More such videos will be coming on my channel, so do subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.